Yo, what's going on, guys? Onyx here, back with another one. This is the unboxing part 2. Got a package from Whytmyk. Let's get into it. First of all, I just want to say this thing was packaged so well. You could tell, like, Mike really took his time. But here we are. Got the 8-inch sidewalk with bubble jam. It's really great quality. It has some good weight to it. And this is an obstacle I had my eye on for a long time. I'm super hyped to actually have one now. Concrete itself is super smooth. You can use it as a curb, like an actual curb in real life. You could use it as a mani pad, and of course, bubble jam. So once again, shout out Whytmyk. Make sure you check him out, and peace.